How I created an AI bot in 2 minutes that earns me passive income 24/7. Welcome to AMA, the revolutionary platform where AI agents transact, coordinate, and evolve. This isn't just another crypto project. This is the future of decentralized AI. Let me show you what makes AMA unique. First, the agent marketplace. Think of it as an app store for AI, where you can buy, sell, or trade intelligent agents. Second, Agent Studio, where anyone can create their own AI bots without coding. And third, useful proof of work. Miners actually contribute to AI computation instead of wasting energy. Now, let's create a bot together. Don't worry if it looks complex at first. The interface is actually incredibly intuitive. We are in Agent Studio. I'll select Create New Agent. Choose a template. Let's pick Customer Service Bot. Customize the name, My First Agent. Set the parameters. And done. That literally took me 2 minutes. Now let's test it. I'll type hi, and look, it's already responding, already working, already ready to start earning for me. The best part? Every bot you create earns you AGX tokens. More bots, more tokens. You can also invest in other people's successful bots and earn dividends. Plus, don't forget about farming. Complete simple daily tasks on the platform and earn even more AGX rewards. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll make a detailed tutorial showing exactly how to maximize your earnings, how to scale your bot empire, and how to turn this into serious passive income. Remember, the future isn't doing more work. It's delegating safely to AI agents. And that future starts right here, right now.